focus for this week is confidence. If we can get to the core of confidence, we discover self-love. Self-love enables us to trust what we're doing is perfect in this moment of now. Mother Nature loves to share images of love wherever we go. And these images that I'm sharing with you in this video are just one tiny glimpse of the love that Mother Nature has for all in her care. So I suggest next time you're out walking, set the intention to find images of love, and I promise you, Mother Nature will share them with you. And as you see each image, focus in on loving self. And as you love self, one little step at a time, your confidence will grow and truly blossom.